Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Let's wait for people joining in. Let's wait for 5 minutes at most. Okay. So today we are going to talk about loops. And in Python, we have two kinds of loops. One is for loop and one is while loop. And today we are going to talk about for loop first. Okay. We're going to go into map 4, Kanga head forests, and then we will dive into what for loop is. So let's wait for another minute. Okay, let's just get started. So when you're ready, you could open your KangaCode app and hit login. Let me see. Let me just log in with the correct account. Wait me for a second. Okay, so you could use Google or GitHub Quick Login, or you could use your account and password to log in. Okay. Okay. So when you log in with Kanga Code, you could go to map 4, which is here. You see a lot of Kanga head trees and apple trees. This is for. Let me just change the language to English. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, and let's just go into 7. No, not this one. Into the garden. Into the garden. Okay. So Kanga stepped through a stone archway into a beautiful garden maze, and a trail of apples stretch out in a straight line ahead. And Kanga stays on the path, no stepping on the grass. All apples alone are collected. Okay, so this one is pretty straightforward and easy, right? We just want to go through this path and collect all apples. And then when we're collecting apples, we don't need to use pickup method. We just need to walk through it. So let's just use Kanga.move right. And if you are not sure how many steps you need to take to the end of this trail, you could use your compass, and then you will know how many steps you need to take. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 6 steps. So we could use move right 6. Hit run. Kanga will get all the apples into our backpack. Okay. and then we can hit done, close. Okay, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Just want to make sure you are still familiar with the object and methods and the parentheses, which can take arguments or parameters. Okay. Okay, so the zigzag down, the path twisted into a staircase shape, right? And then down, and then right again. Apples weighted at every turn, glowing in the sun. Okay. So Kanga stays on the path, now stepping on the grass. Old apples are collected along the way. So why we are talking about the grass? Because if you step on the grass like this, Kanga that move down, it got slipped like this, right? So you need to make sure you are not stepping on the grass. Okay, you're following the path and collecting all apples. So again, if you are not sure how many steps you need to take, you could use your compass. So move right 1, move down 1, move right, move down, move right, move down, move right, and move down. Okay. So there are some default calls, default code, like move right and move down twice. And then it seems like we still need another 2 move right and move down to collect all apples. So we could simply copy it like this, move right, move down, and then move right and move down. Okay. So let's use compass to see if it's correct again. So move right, down, right, down, right, down, right, down. Okay. It looks like this. But it seems stupid and it seems repetitive. So that's why we're going to talk about loops later, very soon. But right now we are just using the very stupid way and a very intuitive way to solve this challenge first. Okay. So we can hit done and close. So for people who are not sure how to use game mode, when you are in the game mode, you could turn on your backpack to see what props or what items you got, and then you could equip with it. And then if you're holding an axe, you can hit C to chop things down. Okay. And then if you want to cast a magic or spell some magic, you could use M. And then you could cast the magic like this. Okay. So there's a practice. Let's see, what is this? So move up, right, okay. So again, if you are not sure how many steps you need to take, you can use compass. Up, right, up, right, up, right, up, right. So there are 2 more. Move out and up, move right. So you could do it like this. Okay. Done, close. Okay, the magic word. Okay, so we are talking about for loops right now. So for loop is a Python syntax that you could resolve repetitive tasks. So the syntax looks like this. Okay. For, you need to write down a for first, and then there's a variable. Conventionally is I, but you could use A or B or C, whatever you want. It's just a variable. But conventionally we use I here in for loop, and then the keyword in, and range, and then parenthesis, and then we need to have a column here, and then in parenthesis it's how many times you want to repeat. Okay, so for example, we could equip our compass, like move right, move up, which is 1, right, left up 2, left up 3, left up 4. So we need to repeat whatever actions 4 times. But the actions here are just what I said. Move right, move up 1, move right, move up 2, move right, move left, move up 3, move left, move up 4. So we need to have Kanga move right and Kanga move up 4 times. So we could take this 2 actions into a for loop, and then we need to set the range number into 4. So it will look like this. Move left, move up, move left, move up, move left, move up, move left, move up 4 times. So it is how a for loop is used. Okay. So okay, it's done. Close.